हेलो नमस्कार, यू आर लिसनिंग टू रेडियो महारानी 89.6 एफएम। सपना हूं मैं आपके साथ और रेडियो वाला पॉडकास्ट में आप सभी का स्वागत है। जब हम सक्सेस की बात करते हैं तो बहुत सारी चीजें हमारे दिमाग में आती है। क्या सक्सेस एक साथ मिल जाती है या फिर उसकी प्लानिंग जो है वो पहले से ही शुरू हो जाती है? बच्चों की ग्रूमिंग कितनी जरूरी है? ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हमारे दिमाग में आते हैं। आज इन्हीं सारे सवालों का जवाब देने के लिए मेरे साथ स्टूडियो में मौजूद हैं लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल अमित बत्रा, हु इज अ रिटायर्ड आर्मी ऑफिसर. Colonel Batra is an expert in the field of subconscious mind and handwriting analysis. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much.
देखिए, जब हम सर सक्सेस की बात करते हैं तो क्या ये सक्सेस हमें तब सोचना चाहिए जब हम एक लेवल तक आ जाते हैं? आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एज लेवल. एज लेवल के बाद हमें सक्सेस के बारे में सोचना चाहिए और हमें स्टार्टिंग से ही इसकी जो प्रिपरेशन है वो स्टार्ट कर देनी चाहिए?
तो अगर आप पेरेंट्स पर्सपेक्टिव से पूछ रहे हैं, बच्चों को रेज करने की बात कर रहे हैं, पेरेंटिंग की बात कर रहे हैं, अभी हमारा माइंडसेट क्या है? जनरली फर्स्ट फ्यू इयर्स बच्चा बड़ा हो रहा है, कोई खास फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. पेरेंट्स का रोल है और जो टीचर्स का रोल है, देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन, राइट? हैविंग सेड इट, ऑब्वियसली टीचर्स प्ले अ वेरी वेरी क्रूशियल रोल. एंड एज आई सेड कि अगर पेरेंट बहुत बड़ी बड़ी गलतियां भी कर रहे हैं, टीचर्स कैन स्टिल करेक्ट इट. इट इज वेरी मच पॉसिबल. सो स्कूल का जो एनवायरमेंट है, इट प्लेज अ वेरी क्रूशियल रोल. बट एज आई सेड, ऑब्वियसली देयर इज नो कंपैरिजन इन व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एट होम. उसका जो इन्फ्लुएंस आ रहा है बच्चे पे और जो स्कूल का आ रहा है. नाउ एक जो बहुत, आई सेड इट, flawed education system, and I don't mind saying it 100 times, 1000 times. प्रॉब्लम पता है कहाँ है? प्रॉब्लम हमारे बिलीफ सिस्टम में है. हमारा बिलीफ सिस्टम कैसे आ रहा है? You will hear a lot of people, right? When does my best come out? When I am under pressure. Am I right?
Right.
Most of us believe that. Deadline आएंगी तो आप देखना मेरा बेस्ट आएगा. जब मेरे पे प्रेशर होगा, when there is someone who is after me, I give my best. Why? Because that's how you have been conditioned from the very beginning. Right?
Right.
From the very beginning you have been through the schooling and all this. क्या चल, आपको शुरू से आपको होमवर्क कब करना है? When teacher is after you. When you will get negative marks. When there will be punishment. अगर आपकी शुरू से यही कंडीशनिंग है, आप बड़े होके क्या करोगे? आप यही करने वाले हो. उसके अलावा इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. राइट? नाउ दैट्स अ बिलीफ आई हैव. मैं कब काम करूंगा? जब मेरे पे प्रेशर है. आप कब काम करोगे? जब मैं आप पे प्रेशर डालूंगा. बच्चा कब काम करेगा? जब बच्चा पे प्रेशर डालेंगे. व्हाट वी डोंट रियलाइज, उस बच्चे की अभी कंडीशनिंग नहीं हुई है. हम कंडीशनिंग कर रहे हैं. सो वी फाउंड एन इजियर वे. फियर एंड प्रेशर, लेट्स पुट इट ऑन द चाइल्ड. द चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू वर्क. राइट? The child has not been conditioned. What we don't realize, and Sadhguru says this, हम सबकी ना दो instincts हैं. First is survival instinct. We all want to survive, come what may. अगर आप छोटे बच्चे को भी देखोगे ना, छोटा बच्चा भी survive करना चाहता है. Second instinct which we all have is the growth instinct. Doesn't matter who you are, where you are a beggar or you are the king. Even the king wants to expand.
Right.
Why? Because of that instinct that we all have as human beings. So that instinct is there. It is there in the child. Now, because we believe कि बच्चा कब काम करेगा? जब प्रेशर होगा, जब फियर होगा. What we do not realize. See, we are now, when we can take the pressure, we can take the stress, we can handle it. Right? We can handle it. Who is training the child to take the pressure? Is there anyone doing that? No one. No one is doing that. But we say कि बच्चे प्रेशर डालो, बच्चा सीख जाएगा और बच्चा बेटर परफॉर्म करेगा. It's no surprise, किसी भी स्कूल, किसी भी क्लास में आप जाओ, there are 80% of them who are not performing at what they are capable of doing. There are many of them who are underperforming. There are many of them who are below average, or they are considered below average. Has it got to do something with their capability? The reality in most cases is not. It is not. It is because of the fear and pressure. The child can't deal with it. The child loses his focus. Right? फिर हम उसको समझाते हैं, बेटा फोकस करो, बेटा समझो चीज को, नहीं हो सकता. Then the child starts misbehaving, and then we label the child. This child has bad behavior, and from there it comes ADHD, all the other problems. To give you an example, we had a case recently, a mother who joined us recently. Not recently, okay, precisely 1 year back.
Right.
Serious issues. Single mother, on her own she had to manage. Obviously, she's working lady, had very little time. बच्चे का behavior बहुत खराब. 40% marks he was scoring, and the mother, she was so concerned, she had spent lakhs of rupees on his counseling. पता नहीं कितने दिल्ली में कितना काउंसलर, if you go to good counselor, they will charge you good amount of money. She had been to so many counselors, nothing worked. Finally, one day she happened to see, our ad, she joined the program. 1 year later, that child and mother share such good relationship, right? The child is so well behaved, and one thing that concerns most of us, which is a natural outcome of other things, is the performance. This child who was scoring 40%, take a guess, what is the score today? Take a guess, 50, 60, 65?
Okay, जितना आपकी बातों से लग रहा है, I think 80%.
Okay, so you are somewhere there.
Okay.
He has just scored 90% in science.
Great, wonderful.
40 to 90.
90.
Think.
Big jump.
This child was considered incapable, but how did it happen? And to be very frank, I just have had 5 minutes of interaction with this child. What did I do? Parents. That's how it is.
Actually, I'm speechless. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे. कई बार ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो बच्चे हैं, they are imprisoned. हमारे ड्रीम, हमारी डिजायर्स, टीचर्स का प्रेशर, सब कुछ पूरा करना है और लास्ट में एक सक्सेसफुल लाइफ भी जीनी है. ये जो प्रेशर बच्चे के ऊपर है, क्या ये प्रेशर बच्चों को एक अच्छी लाइफ दे सकता है?
Okay, so ये हमें समझने की जरूरत है. See, there are people, what our mindset is, what will bring out best in me? Pressure,
right,
stress. Deadline है तो हम काम करेंगे, कोई सर पे खड़ा है तो काम करेंगे. This is how all of us have been conditioned. We take it that way. मेरा बेस्ट आ ही नहीं सकता जब तक प्रेशर नहीं होगा. Why? Because this is how you were raised. Now, since I am conditioned that way, I believe every other individual works like that. I believe that since it works on me, this principle, children are also going to be working only when the pressure is there.
Right.
That's the belief which we all are living with. School, parents, everyone, बच्चे पे pressure डालो, fear create करो, बच्चा behave करेगा. What we don't realize, that child has not been conditioned. उसकी तो conditioning हो रही है अभी. उसका mindset क्या है? Sadhguru says there are two instincts that we all have. First is survival, the second is growth instinct. All of us want to survive and all of us want to grow. Doesn't matter who you are. You are a beggar, you want to grow. What about when you become the king? You still want to grow, you want to expand. Right? You want to expand. Why? Because of that instinct which you have, the growth instinct. Now, child has that growth instinct and he has not been conditioned to work under pressure. हम डाल देते हैं उस पर pressure. We know how to deal with pressure. Does the child know how to deal with pressure? Is there anyone teaching the child how to deal?
No,
None of us.
Right.
No, but बच्चा used to हो जाएगा, बच्चा learn, अरे नहीं learn कर सकता, नहीं learn कर सकता. बच्चा under that pressure he crumbles, and that's the reason you will find every school, every class, there are 70, 80, 85% of children who are not performing. They are merely passengers. In fact, the lower lot, the 20, 30%, they are not even passengers. They are being pushed. They are being made to be part of the journey.
Exactly.
How is it possible? Every school, every class, Who is doing the distribution? Who is doing the distribution? Is God doing the distribution? कि दिल्ली में हो, फरीदाबाद में हो, गुड़गांव में हो, मुंबई में हो, कोई भी स्कूल हो, कुछ भी हो, हर स्कूल में ऐसे होगा. कैसे? Has anyone thought about it? It is the system. It is not the child. It is not their performance is not reflecting their capability,
Right.
but the way we are raising them, the way this education system is. That's the problem which is there. Now these are, counseling issues, the behavioral issues, the performance issues. There are serious issues like ADHD, dyslexia. Mother whose child was writing 8 letters, the mirror image of 8 letters. 2 months later, by the way, so dyslexia, when the child is writing like that, what are these psychiatrists, psychologists, they say? You go for therapy. How much time will it take? So let's see. How much improvement can we expect? Let's see. It depends how the child responds. We worked with the mother 2 months precisely. Out of those 8 letters which he was writing the mirror image, 7 got corrected within 2 months.
Wow.
These are just one odd example that I am giving you. So many cases which are there. To give you one more example, at what age it works, this child was diagnosed as ADHD, slow learner, learning disabled, dyslexic at the age of 8 years. Next 16 years, the parent went to how many counselors, psychiatrists and what not. What improvement? The child at the age of 24 years was not willing to do anything. 24 years.
Okay.
He was not pursuing any career, he was not willing to go for any professional course, nothing. Only gadgets, very violent, right? Within 1 year, this child, now what is he doing? Things taken care. Recently he got job in which company? Amazon.
Wow.
Within 1 year. And you read the comments of the mother when she shares what is the progress that is taking place. It's mind blowing. That child is taking so much of responsibility. Not only his home responsibility, one of his relative got admitted. He attended to him.
Okay.
Their relatives had visited. He took care of everyone. अभी गणेश चतुर्थी की पूजा थी. This young man, right? He participated in the, he managed everything there in the society. A boy who was not willing to come out of his room, very violent, only on gadgets, who are not willing to pursue any career, complete transformation. Parent.
It means we are not working on the right channel. I think काम करने की जरूरत रूट्स पर है और वो रूट्स पेरेंट्स हैं. और हम काम कर रहे हैं ब्रांचेस पर, लीज पर.
Correct.
Right.
That's the thing.
Okay. तो सर इसका इम्पैक्ट तो हमने देखा कि बहुत डीप रूटेड इम्पैक्ट है. बच्चे की पूरी पर्सनालिटी चेंज हो जाती है, नॉट एकेडमिकली बट सोशली भी, मेंटली भी. आगे करियर भी डिपेंड करता है सिर्फ इन्हीं बातों पर. बट अगर हम यहीं पर इसी फ्रेज के आसपास घूमते हुए, मेरा एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रेजिंग किड्स सक्सेसफुली एंड रेजिंग सक्सेसफुल किड्स?
Wow, very interesting. Most of us are trying to raise successful kids.
राइट.
What does success mean to us? For most of us, success has only one meaning: money.
Exactly.
That is the only thing.
Right.
The people who are earning good money, but there are so many of them, after earning money, they are struggling.
Exactly.
We had heard a case of COCCD, CEOCCD, right?
Right.
He committed suicide. Why did he do it? If he was actually doing so well, why did he do it?
Right.
So that is the case which came to the limelight. What about those who are actually not taking extreme action? What about them? Most of us are trying to do it, right? And if you are in that mental state, what kind of human being that you are going to be? All of us want, right, our children to be good human beings. But since we are chasing that, career, success is equal to career is equal to studies.
Right.
We all are chasing that. So we are chasing success in that term. Now that's how you are raising with your child not having the right mindset. You want your child to be a good human being. How is he going to be?
Right.
Not. So why this world suffering? Because we are not raising, good human beings. We are trying to raise successful kids. And in most cases, we are not even able to raise successful kids.
Exactly.
We are not able to do it. What we need to understand when we are talking about raising kids successfully, what does it mean? There are three pillars that we need to focus on. First is the connection between parent and the child. And that is the most important pillar. The other two are actually natural outcome of this one. So once you have that, the child is himself or herself. There is nothing stopping him. The success is going to follow. And the third pillar which is there, your child becoming a good human being. If as a child I am getting your love and affection, your mother, the father, will I be a good human being? Without any question.
Exactly.
I have to teach my child human values. I am telling you, it happens with so much of ease. This young girl, 13-year-old, she was not willing to share anything, right? And the mother was, please tell me, how do I teach my child how to share? And I said, don't do it. I said, why? That's a very good trait to have. I said, don't make that mistake. You are chasing the fruits. ये वाला fruit कैसे लाऊं? तो कहाँ कितने fruit लगाओगे? तभी तो हमारी parenting never ends. Does it end ever? My mother is still raising me, right? No, beta, you don't know this, don't do this.
Right.
क्योंकि आप क्या कर रहे हो? आप fruit लगाए जा रहे हो. कितने fruit लगाओगे? भूल जाओ. Work on the roots. So, in this case, coming back to this girl, 13-year-old, who was not willing to share anything with her friends, within 3 months of when we were guiding this mother, 3 months, mother gave her freedom. So earlier also the girl was trying to write a book, but the mother was, ये topic अच्छा नहीं है, ऐसे अच्छा नहीं है, तुम्हें ऐसे लिखना चाहिए. When we advised her, she left the young girl. She wrote a book, and that book sold, each copy was sold for 50 rupees. She sold 50 copies. So simple maths, 2500 rupees. What did the girl do with this money? She donated 100% of that money.
Wow.
Now think, I have to teach my child how to share.
How to share, exactly.
Is there a requirement of teaching that?
No, not at all.
You just lay the roots. The fruits are going to follow.
Right. I can see tears in your eyes.
I am telling you, when I think about children, when parent and teacher tell me this child is not behaving, what comes to my mind is, you are not behaving.
Right.
It's not the child who needs to be taught.
Blame kids for this.
Absolutely.
Kids.
Correct.
हमारी जो भी गलतियां हैं, हमारी जो मिस्टेक्स हैं,
Yes.
वो भुगत रहे हैं और डांट भी वही खाते हैं.
डांट भी वही खाते हैं.
Really, बच्चों से सॉरी कहने का टाइम है. ओके, जिस चीज के लिए आज हम यहाँ हैं, कहते हैं कि लाइफ इज एक्चुअली वेरी सिंपल. आई ऑलवेज से दैट लाइफ इज वेरी सिंपल, वी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. हमारी बातें इसे कॉम्प्लिकेट करती हैं. वी डोंट नो हाउ टू लिव अ लाइफ एक्चुअली. बट अगर हम वापस सोशल और इकोनॉमिकल बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स पर वापस आते हैं, तो यहाँ आकर फिर एक ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं, हमें उसी फेज पर चलना पड़ेगा जो फेज अब तक बना है यहाँ पर. तो एक सक्सेस जो है, वट एवर वी डू, ये सक्सेस हमें अचीव करना है, चाहे वो हम कोई भी काम लेते हैं. और सक्सेस लेना इज लाइक अ मैथमेटिकल फॉर्मूला. राइट टाइम पर अगर हम इसे अप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें सक्सेस मिल जाती है. जो अभी तक आपकी बातों ने भी यही बताया कि पेरेंटिंग में भी हम लोग यही मिस्टेक्स कर रहे हैं. अगर हम इस फॉर्मूला को राइट टाइम पर अप्लाई करते हैं तो हम एक अच्छे और एक सक्सेसफुल चाइल्ड को रेज कर रहे हैं।
करेक्ट।
व्हाट इज दैट फॉर्मूला? मैजिक है ना आज आपके पास, जो ट्रेजर है उसे मैं हैंड करना चाह रही हूँ।
थैंक यू, माय प्लेजर। सो पहले ये चीज देखते हैं, आपने बोला हम लाइफ को कॉम्प्लिकेट करते हैं, राइट? हम पेरेंटिंग को कॉम्प्लिकेट करते हैं। पेरेंटिंग इज सो इजी। मोस्ट ऑफ अस आर होल्डिंग आवर हैंड, पुलिंग आवर हेयर, ओ मैं बच्चे को कैसे संभालूं, कैसे संभालूं। अरे उसको संभालना ही नहीं है आपने। पेरेंटिंग इज सो इजी प्रोवाइडेड इट्स सिंपल, प्रोवाइडेड यू कीप इट सिंपल। अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी कॉम्प्लिकेट इट।
राइट।
We are complicating it to the extent so now what is the right time? Earlier we do it, the better it is, right?
Right.
Having said that, even at a later stage it's okay. Like for me, my life changed when I was 35 years, right? So my thought process changed, my belief changed, but only thing is that I had to put in efforts on myself. I had become a person who was very negative and pessimist to the core. I could fight with anyone at the drop of a hat. That was the state. Thereafter I put in 17 years of my life just to correct my mindset. Because I knew I could not survive like that. It was not even worth surviving with so much of negativity, pressure that you are living with. So I left everything else and I said, this is what I need to correct. I spent 17 years. So age is not a criteria. It is whenever you realize. So I have a mentee. This young girl joined me when she was 27 years, type 1 diabetes, right? Struggling. She could not manage her sugar. She had been to many doctors, many, many places, but she was just not able to manage it. We got connected. We started working together. I influenced her. So initially there was a lot of resistance to change, right? But I didn't bother. I never push. So when you have to influence, you don't push people.
Right.
You just influence them and they change. Like parents, you have to change your children. You have to influence them. It will happen automatically. This young girl was struggling initially. I had to read couple of books for her. Type 1 diabetes, and I'm not from medical background, right? I'm an engineer. Otherwise, today by profession, I'm more of a psychologist. That is not what my field is. So, I have no background to the medical science. But for her, I read 3 books. I underlined. I told her, see, their sugar level fluctuates a lot. Suddenly, it will come down from 83 to 60, 50. It will shoot up to 400. Anything. Type 1 is very unpredictable. And so if like we are normal, if we don't have diabetes, your normal level is supposed to be 83 sugar level. If it goes to 78, I have experienced it once, you feel so low. Your energy level dips, and even if you have to walk few steps, it's very difficult. Think their sugar levels are fluctuating from 40 to 400 within the same day couple of times.
Right.
So I had to, we both sat down, we discussed, see if it goes to 40, what do you have to do? If it goes to 300, what do you have to do? We studied everything. We studied the science, the medical science. We went there. Today, this young girl is doing so well. She is running her own community where there are a lot of parents whose young children, they are taking her coaching, including some of the specialist surgeons who are there. She has changed her life. At what age? Right? Now, coming to the parenting, at what age should you do it? Obviously, the earlier you do it, the best it is. If you do it later, can you correct it? Yes. Then, see, it's like damage has been done. Now it's the repair work which is happening. But when you do it earlier, your true potential will come out. What you are capable of and what a child is capable of, no one knows it.
Right.
We are quick to label, and who is labeling? The parents and the school, based on certain criteria. This child is not capable, this child is doing this child is can't behave well, this child, so many labels, we are so quick to label our children. Thereafter, what is happening, it's the repair work which you are doing. Can the repair work be done? I gave you a few examples, it can be done. Earlier you lay the foundation, the better it is.
ओके सर, मैं अभी भी वही चीज सुनना चाह रही हूँ आपसे, सक्सेस के वो 3 मंत्र।
सक्सेस का मंत्रा एक ही है, you have to just be yourself. That's the only mantra. Rest all, you will be struggling, right? You may acknowledge, you may admit or not, you will be struggling. To the world you may show, you have become a big fanneka, right? But deep within, if you are not yourself, you are not doing what you actually who you are. You are not going to be successful. You may tell the word, you may show the word, but are you yourself? So if you have to think this from parenting perspective, from the school perspective, what do they have to do? What do the parents have to do? Be the influencer, create the right environment, and let the child be. There is nothing stopping any child from doing exceptionally well. What we are doing, I'm telling you, some of us think that we are doing really well. What this child is going to do will be much, much better than any of us what we are doing after having gone through years of struggle, right? You ask people, they will tell you. So they may not tell you on the camera or on any kind of this kind of platform, but when you are connecting with them one to one, life is very difficult. Why it is difficult? Because you are not yourself.
Exactly.
That's the only reason it is difficult.
Right. We just pretend कि ऐसे हैं, हम ऐसे हैं, but actual में जो है वो हम दिखाते हैं.
Absolutely.
Exactly.
So one more point which I made some time back. As an adult, you know how to deal with pressure, right?
Right.
Right? The child doesn't know. The reality, even you do not know. You just know how to suppress your emotion and show the world as if everything is fine. That's not how it is. You are wearing a mask. Deep within you are crying. And the same life you are creating for your children. My child should be successful. What success? What does
Exactly.
success mean?
This was my next question. What does success mean?
Yes.
Having your annual package in 6 or 7 figures, or leading a good life, a happy life. What does success mean?
So, see, money plays a very important role in all our life. Goes without saying.
Right.
But how much important? What is the importance of that? Some of us forget that. We have a total misunderstanding of this aspect. Money is one of the thing. We make it the thing.
Yes.
The thing. It cannot be the thing.
Right.
It is one of the thing. Right? And if you have the right mindset, if you have the right attitude, you will be able to earn money. You will have the comfort. People will come after you to pay you money.
Right.
They will come after you. Provided you are yourself, you have the right mindset.
Exactly. Okay, sir, आपसे इतनी सारी हमने बातें की, इतना कुछ मुझे सीखने को मिला. एक क्वेश्चन मेरे माइंड में आ रहा है. As we belong to the Indian society, यहाँ स्पेशली आई विल टॉक अबाउट अ मेल चाइल्ड. उनके ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर होता है. हम कहते हैं गर्ल्स के ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर है, पिटी गर्ल, बेचारी को ये करना होता है, वो करना होता है. बट आई थिंक बॉयज पर भी उतना ही प्रेशर होता है. पेरेंट्स राइट फ्रॉम डे वन, द डे अ बॉय इज बोर्न, हमारे वंश को आगे चलाने वाला, बुढ़ापे में हमारी सेवा करने वाला. सो यू हैव टू अर्न फॉर योर सेल्फ एंड फॉर अस टू, क्योंकि तुम्हें पूरा परिवार देखना है. ये सिचुएशन गर्ल्स के ऊपर नहीं होती, उनके ऊपर ऑप्शनल है. इफ यू वांट टू अर्न, इफ यू वांट टू बी फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट, इट्स अप टू यू. बट उसके ऊपर लायबिलिटी नहीं है दैट यू हैव टू अर्न. बट अगर हम एक बॉय चाइल्ड को देखें तो उसके ऊपर बहुत लायबिलिटीज होती हैं. और परसेंटेज ऑफ बॉयज जो कम स्कोर करते हैं, जो कि डिसोबीडियंट है, वो भी बॉयज ज्यादा होते हैं
Right.
कंपेरेटिवली.
Correct.
When we rear a girl child and when we rear a boy child, यहाँ दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस आता है और कैसे इस चीज को टैकल करना है? बिकॉज यहाँ पर वंस आई टॉक अबाउट अ बॉय चाइल्ड, उसके ऊपर पीयर प्रेशर बहुत काम करता है और मोस्टली वो कहीं और ही फेस पर होता है. तो ये चीज कैसे आप हैंडल करते हैं एज अ पेरेंट? नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग एज अ पेरेंट कि अगर ऐसा बच्चे के साथ है, बिकॉज इवन आई एम अ मदर, तो बेबी गर्ल भी है, आई हैव अ बॉय ऑल्सो, तो वहां आकर मुझे कैसे डील करना?
Don't treat your daughter at par with your son. Never make that mistake. What does that mean? Equality has to be there. But in the name of treating our daughters at par with our sons, you know what we are doing? How we have raised our sons all this while, right? If you go in the history, how we have raised. Boy means, okay, one thing which you said, that they have to tomorrow earn for the family. Girl, it is okay. Fortunately, that is changing today, right? It's like, from that perspective, it is happening that even girls are raised today. Okay, you have to earn, you have to take care of yourself, you have to be independent. It's no longer that will marry you and your husband will take care of you. So that is changing quite a bit now, especially in the metros. But yes, I think it's still a challenge when you go to the tier 2 and tier 3 cities. That's a challenge that remains there. Now, coming to the point which I was telling you, don't treat your daughter at par with your son. What do I mean? If you see, I'm sure most of us think, we believe that girls are far more sincere and responsible than the boys.
Boys, right.
Why? What's the reason? The reason is that we give responsibilities to the girl at home, to our daughters. You have to take care of this, you have to take care of that. With boys, do what you have to. You have to earn tomorrow, today, then there will be a lot of restriction on girl. Boys, you do what you like. If you are coming at 10, 11 p.m. in the night, it's okay. Girl have to be back by 6 p.m. Right?
Right.
Now, today what we are doing? We are treating our daughters at par with our son. We are making them also irresponsible. No, I have to treat my daughter well. You know, she should be queen. You are making her incapable. You are making her irresponsible. You need to treat your son at par with your daughters. Make them responsible right from the word go. Give them, see, when you work with your hands, you develop that common sense. Common sense is not so common. Why? I am telling you, I struggled for such a long time. In my family, I was the youngest.
Okay.
And my brothers and sisters, they will hear, you know, they may not like it, but I'll still share. I was the only one in my family who was good in academics.
Okay.
तो घर वालों को यही हमारा नाम रोशन करेगा,
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
यही करेगा, बाकी तो नहीं कर सकते, ये करेगा. उस चक्कर में बेटा आप बैठो, आप कुछ नहीं करोगे, बाकी तेरे को चाहिए, they will serve you everything. पानी वहीं मिलेगा, खाना वहीं मिलेगा, आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, you just do it. How did it impact me? Academics I was doing well, which most of us believe if we are good in academics means life is sorted.
Right.
My life was very tough. Why? Common sense was not there. Because unless I work with my hand, how will I develop? But ये कैसे सीख लोगे आप? जो आपकी जो मोटर स्किल्स हैं, हैंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन है, जो कॉमन सेंस, जो बेसिक काम आप करोगे, वो जो बचपन में एक बच्चा सीखेगा, वो बड़ा होके नहीं सीख सकता.
Right.
You will be struggling, and I struggled for years. I am telling you that. So that is how I suffered. Right now, thing is, don't treat your daughters at par with your son. Rather, let it be other way around.
Right.
That's how we need to be doing.
As we are coming to the end of this discussion, what will be your message to the parents and to the children?
Parents, don't be in a hurry to teach your children. In that rat race, we are always comparing our kids, right? And we are always in hurry. एक बच्चा 3 साल का लेटर बोलना लिखना सीख जाता है. We are on top of the world. My child is doing so well.
Right.
And thereafter, what ensues? We are keen to teach him more. My child is so intelligent, so brilliant. उसके बाद में do we stop? No. Thereafter, we are putting so much of pressure. And I already explained, when you pressure the child, when you pressurize the child, it is going to create more problem than otherwise. And if your child is for whatever reason 3, 4, 5 years, that comparison chart which says 5 साल के बच्चे को ये आना चाहिए, 5 साल का बच्चा इस तरीके से बात करना चाहिए, इस तरीके से चलना चाहिए, नॉनसेंस.
कि बच्चे को ये पोएम भी सुना दी, मेरे वाले ने क्यों नहीं सुनाई? मेरे वाले को 1 आती है, उसको 4 आती है. ये जो कंपैरिजन है, आई थिंक ये बच्चे के ऊपर एक बहुत ही बर्डन क्रिएट करने लग जाता है सिंस बिगनिंग.
करेक्ट. इट इज वेरी फाइन. 5, 6, 7 साल का बच्चा can pick up things.
Right.
So there are people, you know, the curve for each one differs. There are people from early on, they will rise like this, right? There are people, they will rise like this from early on.
Right.
There are people who will rise like this.
Exactly.
But when we see this curve, we get worried. I say it's okay. It is perfectly fine. If you just let the child be.
What will be your message for the kids?
Okay. Point is, there is tremendous pressure on children.
I agree.
Right? There are lots of it. It is very, very challenging.
Right.
And there are people to tell you, the children, oh, you are not good at this, you are not good at that. Don't worry. One day will come when you will outshine everyone. Just be yourself.
Great. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पेरेंट्स जो हैं वो बच्चों की स्पाइन है. खड़ा होने के लिए हमें जितनी इम्पोर्टेंस स्पाइन की लगती है उतनी ही आपके पेरेंट्स की है. डोंट टीच देम एवरीथिंग, लेट देम एक्सपेरिमेंट थिंग्स. जितना सिखाना है सिर्फ उतना ही सिखाइए, उसके आगे उसे खुद सीखने दीजिए. हमने भी तो ऐसे ही किया था, हमारे पेरेंट्स ने भी तो ऐसे ही किया था, हमें सीखने दिया था. हम मिट्टी में खेलते थे, आज कहते हैं हाथ गंदे हो जाएंगे, हाइजीनिक नहीं है. हम नंगे पैर भागते थे, आज पेरेंट्स कहते हैं बेड से नीचे उतरते ही स्लीपर्स पहनो, आप ऐसे नहीं जा सकते हैं. मतलब वी आर ट्राइंग टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर किड्स फ्रॉम द हर्डल्स दैट ही और शी इज गोइंग टू गेट. लेकिन यही शायद हमारी गलती है, हम हर तरह से उसे प्रोटेक्ट नहीं कर सकते. हमें कहीं ना कहीं उन्हें फेस करने देना पड़ेगा उन ट्रबल्स को जो लाइफ उसके आगे लेकर आ रही है. और शायद लाइफ की बेस्ट टीचिंग वहां पर होगी. जैसा कि सर आपने कहा कि पेरेंटिंग को टफ हम लोग कर रहे हैं. एग्जैक्टली. हम लोग खुद भी परेशान हो रहे हैं और बच्चों को तो हमने बहुत ज्यादा परेशान कर दिया है. और कहीं ना कहीं ये गलती सिर्फ हमारी है. इफ द चाइल्ड इज नॉट स्कोरिंग गुड, परसेंटेज मैटर नहीं करती. वो नहीं बता सकती कि आपका बच्चा कल को सीईओ बनेगा किसी कंपनी का या फिर वो एक अकाउंटेंट बनेगा. और अगर वो अकाउंटेंट भी है और खुश है तो सक्सेस वहां पर भी तो है. सक्सेस सिर्फ 6 to 7 डिजिट्स इनकम में नहीं है, सक्सेस उसकी हैप्पीनेस में है. लेट द चाइल्ड बी. उसे जो करना है वो करने दीजिए. आपका सपोर्ट बहुत जरूरी है, ये हमें देना भी चाहिए, लेकिन सिर्फ उतना जितना बच्चे को काबिल बना सके, ना कि उसे खराब कर सके. तो इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ थैंक यू सो मच सर. इट वाज ग्रेट लर्निंग एंड आई रियली विश कि हर पेरेंट को ये देखना चाहिए कि गलत कौन है और सुधार करने की जरूरत किस में ज्यादा है. तो आज भी यहाँ पर बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स इस स्टूडियो में बैठे हैं, कुछ कैमरा के आगे कुछ कैमरा के पीछे, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि सभी पेरेंट कुछ ना कुछ सीख के जाएंगे. एंड थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर बीइंग हियर. और आगे भी हम चाहेंगे कि आप हमारे साथ यूं ही जुड़े रहें.
श्योर. थैंक यू सो मच.